Good morning, everyone. So, I'm Borj Magalona of ISM.
And I'm Claire Santos of GTV Tech.
And we're your social media ambassador for MDC side. And we want to invite you to register now for Fusion Pop 2018. That's going to happen July 14 at Circuit Makati.
Yes, and for more updates, you can simply follow MDC and the Biz Engagement on Facebook. We also have an event page, which you can simply search on Facebook. Simply type in Fusion 2018.
And show your love by using our Fusion 2018 frame on Facebook. Just click on your profile pic and then choose Fusion 2018. Okay? Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
I'm nervous.
That's fine. We all have a first, right? So we're really encouraging everyone to register and really come to our event. I can't read it without my glasses. I'm sorry. So here are our official hashtags. So you can you hold it, please? All right. So you can use hashtag CVG Fusion, hashtag Fusion Comic Fest 2018, and hashtag Live at Convergys. So we're really excited to see you guys.
And watch out for more posts and for our vlogs on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Yeah, so we'll be posting our Divisoria Challenge wherein we were given 500 pesos to look for our OOTD, or recommended OOTD for Fusion 2018. And more vlogs like that say how to get there and stuff like that. Yeah.
Sa mga hindi pa alam kung paano pumunta sa Circuit Makati, we're gonna do a video vlog about how to get to Circuit Makati straight from here, from our side, okay? So
Yes.
watch for that.
And that's on July 14, okay? Manila, not ET. Okay.
So thank you so much, guys, and show our love for Fusion 2018.
Thank you, everyone.